Good morning, guys. So many of you are killing it. You're submitting your work on time. You're submitting like all of your work. It's high quality. The storybook projects have been fantastic. So I definitely wanted to reward you guys a little bit today, which is why we are doing a quiz review. So if you are in live class, we will be playing Kahoot. If you are not in live class, though, you do have a task, and that task is to play an iCivics game that I will show you in a minute. Today's a quiz review day. There are several things that you could be quizzed on that we've learned over the last week and a half, 2 weeks. Some of it you learned before quiz 1. Some of it was just learned within the last 2 weeks. So the topics you could be quizzed on include the 3 branches of government, the 3 branches of government. You could be quizzed on the levels of government. That's what your RTL is about. Federal, state, local. You could be quizzed on the Bill of Rights. The Bill of Rights is all the way back in lesson 4, but it's something that people struggled on the last quiz. So I am putting it on this quiz again. You might also be quizzed on how, not you might also be, you will have a question about how a bill becomes a law. Becomes a law. And finally, checks and balances, which we've been doing over the past 2 days. Right? So these are the topics, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that you could be quizzed on tomorrow. If you know, oh, I missed lesson 7, the 3 branches of government, the 3 levels of government, I missed lesson 5, the 3 branches of government, I didn't do so hot on the Bill of Rights lesson 4, I still have not finished my How a Bill Becomes a Law storybook project, which is lesson 6, day 2. And then obviously checks and balances is the last 2 days, that's lesson 9. If you do know that you're not feeling super solid on one of these, then you should go back to that lesson, re-watch the pre-recorded video, and review your answers. Obviously, if you have not done it, simply redoing these assignments is going to be a productive use of your time in terms of studying. If you know all of these, you just really need to review. There is an iCivics game that concentrates on how a bill becomes a law, and I'm recommending that one to be the one you use to review. If, however, you know Bill of Rights is something you're still really struggling with, you can go ahead and play the Do I Have a Right game from iCivics. Do I have a right? I'm going to give you a little bit of choice. Either way, though, you do need to submit your screenshot to me. Now I'm going to pause and screen share. Okay, so if you're looking at your daily packet for today, it's called Review Lesson, Principles of American Democracy. When you scroll down to the 3rd page, you'll get your directions for gameplay. That's normal when we're playing an iCivics game. You're gonna do the same thing that you always do. If you're a tablet user, you're gonna have to download the game Lawcraft from the App Store. It is free. So when you click on the iCivics login website, as normal, you need to hit the Sign In with Google button in the bottom left corner. If you simply hit Sign In, you won't log in properly. Hit the Sign In with Google button. When you do that, your HBA email should pop up. If it doesn't, hit Use Another Account. You then want to hit My iCivics in the top right, the My iCivics button. Click on Classes. Scroll down, and you will find a lesson titled Review Lesson, Principles of American Democracy. Click Start Assignment to access Lawcraft. When you are finished, make sure to take a screenshot of your completed gameplay and upload that to today's assignment. Thanks, guys.